today's topic is development of female gametophyte. Yes, you know that female gametophyte develop inside an ovule. In the ovule, there is a nutritive tissue known as nucellus. Right? One of the cell, one of the diploid cell of the nucellus shows meiosis. This is a diploid cell. This cell will be known as megaspore mother cell, because megaspore is going to develop from it. That is why this cell is megaspore mother cell or MMC. Right? Now, this megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis, and after the completion of meiosis, there is a formation of tetrad. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 cells, that is tetrad of megaspores. Megaspores have been formed, but out of these 4 megaspores, 3 megaspores degenerate and only one persists. This persisting megaspore is known as functional megaspore. This is known as functional megaspore. Getting? Generally, the megaspore at micropylar end, or which is present at the middle of the nucellus, persist and the above 3 degenerate. Now, this functional megaspore will divide mitotically for 3 times. ठीक है? इनका 3 बार mitosis होगा, and this mitosis is free nuclear. What is meant by free nuclear? So, only nucleus will divide. Cytoplasmic division will take place later on. Right? So, for example, from one nucleus, after first mitosis, there will be 2 nuclei. After second mitosis, from these 2, 4 nuclei will form, and after the third mitosis, from 4, there will be the formation of 8 nuclei. Getting? Now, after the third mitosis, the 8 nucleated structure is formed. This is all is taking place in a single functional megaspore. Now, after third mitosis, the 2 nuclei from the poles, this is the one pole, this is the another pole of the functional megaspore. 2 nuclei from the poles migrate towards each other. Right? So, after migrating, what will be the structure? The 3 nuclei will be at one pole, and another 3 nuclei will be at another pole, and 2 nuclei will come at the center, and before the fertilization they fuse with each other. Right? And after fusing, it will form a secondary nucleus, and at that time the whole functional megaspore will be called as, after the cytoplasmic division also, after there are the formation of cells, the functional megaspore will be known as embryo sac. And what will be the structure of embryo sac then? See, this is embryo sac. At micropylar end, there will be this, each nucleus will be surrounded by a cytoplasm then. Yes, so at the micropylar end, there will be egg cell, haploid egg cell. Yes, and 2 synergids. These 2 cells adjacent to egg cell are synergids. Now, these synergids are ciliated, and these ciliated synergid help the pollen tube to enter inside the embryo sac. They guide the pollen tube to enter inside the embryo sac. Right? Now, at the center, there are 2 nuclei. Yes, these are fused to form a single nucleus. Now, 2 haploid nuclei will fuse to form single diploid nucleus, and the cell will be known as secondary nucleus. Whereas at the chalazal end, another 3 nuclei are there. Yes, these are also surrounded by the cytoplasm like this. So, these 3 cells are known as antipodals. Write down. Now, this is antipodals. This is secondary nucleus, or it is also known as definitive nucleus. Whereas this portion can be called as egg apparatus, which contain haploid egg cell and two synergids. So, such a 8 nucleated, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Such 8 nucleated and how many cells? 7 celled, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. So 8 nucleated 7 celled structure will be known as embryo sac. And this embryo sac is nothing but the female gametophyte. Yes, and development of female gametophyte is said to be endosporic. Why endosporic? Because all the development is taking place inside a single spore, inside a pore, that is why, and a functional megaspore, that is why the development is known as endosporic, and it is taking place in a single spore, that is why monosporous or monosporic. So, female gametophyte develop in a single spore and all the development takes place inside a single pore, that is why it is endosporic and monosporic. Thank you.